Good morning, all. My name is Dinesh Kumar. I am from Savita Engineering College, Information Technology Department. Me and my friends have done a project called Equity New Research Tool. Uh, Basically, it's a project about to simplify our works on researching a new article. Uh, this is the agenda of our project. First, let me introduce our project. The project is an extension version of Chat. Can we say ChatGPT? Why I'm saying it's because in ChatGPT, like if you given question, it will answer from the first URL. But here I will giving I can have the number of URLs, and if you want any particular answer from that URL, you can ask that question, and my software will give you the exact particular answer for the question you asked. This is the overview of my project. Why I've choose this project because my father is investing in share markets because he need to read a lot of the articles. So I thought this will be helpful for him. So that's why I get an idea, and and this is the purpose of the project to provide an accurate information response to the new related queries and empowering the use to make informed decisions in financial markets, to leverage the power of advanced language models and information retrieval techniques to deliver high quality insights analysis, to offer user friendly interface that is accessible to individuals at varying levels of technical expertise. The proposed methodologies we have used LangChain and OpenAI and FAIRS and Streamlit. And from this on, my friends will continue. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Kumaral from IT department. I'm going to explain a few topics related to our project Equity News Research Tool. The first is about architecture diagram. As you see in the picture, you can get an idea or overview about our project. The first process is about to load an URL. From that URL, we can be split up into many chunks. Those chunks will be stored in the database. From that database, we can be retrieval the chunks that what are the answers that really needed to our question or related to our question that going to be executed as the answer and the output. These all are a small overview about our architecture diagram. And next is about a class diagram. Here you can see the document chunker. From that we may split the document or get chunks. This process will happen in the document chunker, and the query handler is going to send or retrieval the chunks or queries. In the language model, we can going to generate answers. Uh, And the last one about vector database is to store or query the vectors. And about use case diagram, the user may be uploaded a document or ask questions. If the user may ask question, the question is generated to a chunk document. That from that chunk document we can retrieve the chunks and generate the answer as an output. If may the user may upload document, the system will store the chunks or else generate a chunk document. And hardware and software selection. Here, hardware. The requirement of OS is Windows 10, Mac OS, or Linux. Ubuntu Forever. Uh, these are the OS that really needed to execute our project. And then the processor. Intel i5 or more than that is needed as a processor, and RAM is about 6 GB minimum. Storage at least 256 GB SSD. While we come up into the software part, LangChain. LangChain is a basic and natural language processing that really used to do analyzes the sentiment or recognitions that gonna be happened in the LangChains and OpenAI APIs. This we all know about the OpenAI. It's going to generate a human-like text and files. This is in this process we can search and similarities on the news articles. And the next one is Streamlit. The Streamlit is to building a user-friendly web interfaces. Python, as everyone knows, is a main language that integrating the LangChain, OpenAI, and FAIS, and for the language application logics. And the last one, IDE, Integrated Development Environment, is a software application that is useful to write, debug, or else to implement codes. These are the platforms Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or Jupyter Notebook to development of the projects and come up with future enhancement. The first is real-time data integrations. We can have a real-time data that fits for the minute news analysis. And the second is user preference. The user may customize or prioritize the topics, what they want to search, and what they want to get as the result. And interactive visualization. In this, we may implement a visualization that's going to enhance the news data trends and relationship as a under, visualizing to understand easier. And the last is about mobile application. Developing a mobile version is really useful to the users to useful to enhancing the accessibility of for busy equity research analytics. And these all are the references that is related to our project. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rohit Kumar from IT department. I am here to explain about the proposed system and existing system and expected result and implication of our project. First, I would like to say about few things about our project Equity Research News Tool. This tool is extended version of ChatGPT. It used to centralize responses or answers for question we would like to ask. It used to provide accurate response with the source where the answer is from. Next, we can see the proposed methodology of our project. It may consist of four form LangChain, OpenAI, FIOS, Streamlit. LangChain is a powerful framework for building applications powered by LLMs. It's used to combine the different components of LLM and its model and data source. Next, we can see OpenAI. It refers to Open API, which gives access to powerful LLMs like GPT-3, GPT-4. It used to do some tasks such as text generation, summarization, question answering. Next, we can see FIOS. It is like Facebook AI. It's mainly used to improve the efficiency of above LLM's work and also handle the large data set. It's mainly used for retrieving relevant documents based on semantic embedding. Next, we can see the Streamlit. It's like powerful Python framework mainly for building web application. We used Streamlit in order to create a user interface for our project Equity Research Node. Next, we can see existing system. We consist of three form like lack of knowledge base, generative nature, word limit. Lack of knowledge base. We can compare it with ChatGPT. ChatGPT does not provide a centralized knowledge. It can provide only the like general information which it get from first URL of in its searching. But our project is used to centralize the answer from the URL which we provided. It can provide an accurate answer, and it is generated nature. ChatGPT can provide only the general information. Sometimes it also leads to incorrect, misleading, or wrong answer. But our project can't provide a wrong answer because it can provide a answer from which URL we provide. We can provide means more accurate and signified URL means it can only provide a correct answer. And ChatGPT has a word limit, like only 1500 words should be asked in question, somewhat like, but our project does not. We can ask n number of words and n number of questions in a single question box. Next, we can see the expected result and its implication. First, our project is like knowledge based. It can provide a knowledge base of financial news article, reports, and other relevant data for our questions. It can provide more accurate and informative answers. And retrieval augmented generation. This tool will employ retrieval augmented generation. It's like a machine learning framework for retrieving relevant information from knowledge base, and also it can provide more accurate answer. Next, fact checking mechanism. It's mainly used to verify the accuracy of our answer and our response and identify any other potential errors or not. And continuous improvement. If while using our project, we can improve some other things by ongoing training, updates, or addressing any other limitations, shortcoming, etc. Thank you.